What is going on, guys? Today, I'm not in our shop, I'm not out in the field. We are in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada at the 2023 SEMA Show. This is super exciting. It's my personal first time being at this show, and I've been to a lot of trade shows. This one is every trade show I've ever been on combined, and then 10 times that. It is unbelievably big. It's unbelievably popular and crowded. The vehicles that we're seeing are crazy mods, crazy, vintage things that are brought back to life, new things that we've seen, new vehicles that we've never seen before that are being brought out and revealed here. We're here to basically see products, to network with some other professionals that we work with in the industry, and to basically just check out what's new in the industry all together. So we've already seen booths like our paint protection film and window tint, our ceramic coating, dent repair technicians booths, all the different tools that we use in our shops have presence here, and we're super excited to be here. We brought several of our technicians. They're coming back and they're saying, these are the tools we need, this is the product we need, this is the software, and that's exactly what these trade shows are for. If you've never been to SEMA, you need to check it out. We're gonna be here for a couple more days. It's gonna be a long couple of days, a lot of walking, but we're super excited. Come along, we'll show you what we see, and hopefully we'll see you out here next year. So one of the reasons that we do come out to trade shows like SEMA is to see new products, but we also come to visit and see products that we already have relationships with. Karen's here, she works with Eastman, who is the representative for SunTech. That's the paint protection film and window tint that we buy. You see all our videos. Karen, how's the SEMA show? This is day 2, how's it going?
Day 2, over Halloween it's going really, really well. Busy today, so I can't complain.
Yeah,
it's going really well.
One of the reasons that we love the companies that we work with is not only do the products that we install on our clients' cars represent us and they have to last, but we also get the backing of the brand. We get software that is fantastic software with Core, that's SunTech and Eastman software, and we also get extended training. We've just got a couple of our techs, we talked about this recently, came back for some extended training for paint protection film. We love the partnership, and we love getting to see our friends while we're at these shows. So thanks for the partnership. Thank you guys for being here. This is awesome. Save your voice, save your feet. Try not to wear yourself out at a trade show like this, but thanks for having us.
Thank you.
So now we have come to a booth that has very familiar faces to us. I'm here with my good buddy Danny Hacker. Danny is internationally trained, world famous GPR promoter. We're here at the Kiko booth. Danny, how many years have you come to SEMA before?
This is probably my third year.
Third year, okay, and it gets bigger and bigger every year, right?
Bigger and every year.
Well, it's awesome because as companies, we want to be innovating. We want to be moving. The cars are changing, technology's changing, but tools are changing as well.
Yep.
You guys, last year, 2 years ago, won Tool of the Year at SEMA.
Right.
It was the Tool of the Year at SEMA. It was a huge deal, and yet y'all are coming out with new and improved and continuously addressing tension releasing and edge pulling and all the things GPR really has taken off. It's awesome to be here. What's your take when you come to a show like this? Is it overwhelming? Is it exciting? What do you think?
It was in the beginning.
Yeah.
Right now it's just it's really comfortable.
Yeah.
So you just come in here, get to know the people, get to show them new products, and really change their life with better innovation.
And it makes their job easier. And it doesn't hurt that all the things y'all do when the big glue pop, it gets attention and people come and look over and see your smiling face. So,
that's right.
Cool. Well, I'm excited to be here.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep walking through the show, so keep it up.
All right.
See you, brother. All right, so now we are at one of our favorite partners booths. This is Technic. Everybody knows them. This is Chris with Technic. We've been partners with them for several years now, and honestly just love the products, love what they do. They are always changing though. They're always bringing new products to market. What do you guys have this year?
So this year we have our feature F40, and we're featuring Halo version 2. So we adjusted the formula to kind of attack some of the application issues on some of the newer PPF films on the market. They have a hydrophobic coating already on the film, so we had to adjust that solvent carrier so that way it bonds to those new PPFs and things like that. And then also to make it easier, single layer application, because time is money.
Well, that's what, for us, we want the best product we can put on, and we want it to be as efficient as possible so we can have more clients, more customers, and our technicians being as efficient all the way through the process. And that's what kind of SEMA's about, is seeing not only, cars are changing constantly, paints and films and everything else, and we like partnering with companies that are constantly changing and pushing the limits and leading the way. So we can't thank you guys enough for being here as we're growing, and as the industry changes, we love working with guys that want to be a part of it.
Yeah, I'm excited to come check out the new Athens shop.
It's gonna be awesome, man.
Yeah.
It is awesome. You need to come see it.
Yeah, let's go.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that is a wrap. 2023 SEMA has been a blast. We're all very tired. We've been talking a lot. We've been walking a lot. We've seen incredible products, brand new products, famous vehicles, famous people, you name it, we've seen it. It's been awesome. There's been after parties. We got SEMA Fest tonight, so we're gonna leave you with that. Next year, we'll be here again. Hope to see you there. If you have any questions about our experience, hit us up. We were really, really excited to be here, and as you can tell, it's been well worth it. So anyway, thanks for checking us out, guys.